Hi, my name is Namita Arya, and we have just booked Brigade Avalon through Housey Group. And the journey so far has been really great with Housey. I have been in touch with Sneha Ashish, and he was kind enough to explain me the project. So this project actually we got through the online, and we got in touch with Housey, and he walked us through the whole project. He has been kind enough to take us to the project, explained each and everything. We had a lot of doubts because we were hunting a lot of properties. The way he explained and understood the requirement, and it was the best fit for our requirement. And finally, we were able to book the Brigade Avalon. So far, interactions with Snehashis has been great. He was very approachable, was always available to clarify our doubts, and I can see that Housey has this post sale services too. And I met Devi, who explained me about the post sale services, and it covers all the logistics related services. It covers the home loan in case somebody needs it. And also, for example, what I understand is that ever if I need the interiors, they have a tie up with good renowned partners, and then we can take their services on the discounted rate. Apart from that, Housey has also committed us to provide us constructions updates as we need, as and when we need to know about the projects. They'll be always available. And Devi has been really great to explain all the post sale services related protocols and everything. And so far, journey with Housey has been great. We are looking forward to this project and shifting in Brigade Avalon.